Hi everyone, welcome back to another render demo, how to draw a video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the White House. So grab yourself a ruler or sheet of paper, pencil, and let's get started. So for the first step, I will draw a line across the bottom of my page, or just a little bit higher than the bottom of my page. And I'll make a small rectangular shape over there. And then we're going to try to find the middle of our page, okay, so somewhere around here. And we're going to draw on either side of that a vertical line. So we'll go like that, and if this is the center, we'll do something like this on that side. Okay, and then we will create the top. And we'll go right around here, like that. And then what we can do is actually extend this past the two vertical lines just a little bit. And then in order to get the true center, if you like, you draw a line from the corners like this, and then like this, and then where they intersect in the middle, that will be our center. So you can see I was a little bit off. So what we'll do is we'll draw a vertical line from the center here up over there, and this will give us the point of our roof. So I'm going to take this line like this, and we have like a short, it's not really tall, it's kind of like a short flat roof. So that's my center there, and then I'll extend it down like that. Okay, now below the roof I'm going to create a small rectangle right about here, just under that roof over there. Okay, just like that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go just below that roof line, and I'm going to run some lines across to the left and to the right. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this measurement roughly, so we have here, you can see about 2 inches, and I'm going to do roughly about the same width on that side. So let's put a line there. We'll add, this does not have to be 100%, but we don't want this left side to be smaller and this on the right to be longer by too much. So then what we'll do is we'll go from this line that we drew here in the center, and we'll extend to the right and to the left, and we could go past those lines that we drew there. Okay, so then what we'll do is we'll draw these straight down like that. Okay, and then we'll make a small rectangular shape just on the sides, and these will extend a little past those lines there. Okay, so we'll come and we'll stop. We won't go through the center part of the building, just the two on the sides. And then from here, I don't want to go straight down like this. Okay, I want to go just a little bit inside of like a little bit of a drama to it. Okay, so if I do that, and then over here I can kind of do the same thing. I'll draw a straight line, and then I'll go right around here, and then we'll join up to that point there, just like that. Okay, so it's giving it some a little bit of a perspective that is coming out. Okay, then what we can do, kind of erase some of these lines, and I'll add an additional step down here. So this line there will end right about here. Okay, just like that. And then just below that, I can do another line that kind of comes out just a little bit, like that. And this one will step right about here, something like that. Okay. Now if we go back to the side portions, I'll draw another horizontal line just on the two sides. It's a little bit offset like that. Okay, and then we can draw 4 pillars for these columns. So what I'll do here is I'm going to draw one on the end. So if this is my edge of my building, I'm going to come inside of that just a little bit, and I'm going to stop right here. Okay, and I'm going to do a column like this. All right, and then what I'll do is I'll do the same on this side. So here's the edge, come in a little bit, kind of round this, that, and then come down. Okay, and then we want to split this into 2 more. So we'll try to get a guesstimate like that, and then I'll just do my width, something like that, just to kind of eyeball something in there. So I'll do that, I'll round it, and then I'll do the same here. Something like that. And then we'll create some windows on either side. So I'm going to want to have windows coming from the bottom, and then they're going to be a little bit longer, so somewhere about here. So I just drew that in there so that I can make a horizontal line. And this I'll just press lightly. I don't want to press too hard. And we'll do about 4 windows on either side. From there, we can leave a little bit of a gap from this line here. We'll put a line here, and we'll do another line here, and then we'll just run those across again. Just a faint line like that. And we'll find that other line I drew in here. And we'll just do another one like that. And then what I can do is I'll just go and complete these. Just extend those straight up. Okay, just like that. And then we can actually put in a couple smaller shapes up here. And then I'm going to put in a couple windows in between here. And then over here where the roof is, we can add a small, short step up there, and we can do the same on this side. So we'll just draw and connect those together. And then we can draw kind of like almost like a chimney stack, like this. Could do the same on this side. Smaller ones over here. Okay, and then in the center, we can draw a line straight up from the center of the peak of the roof. And this could be a little rectangle shape. And then we can draw a flag up here. Something like this. Okay. And then we can add some details to our window sills and stuff. I'll go ahead and ink this in, and then we'll be back and just add a little bit of gray to color this in. All right, now that we inked that in, that took a little bit of time. Go and erase all of your pencil lines, and that'll clean your sketch up. All right, I'll go and just use a few different gray colors and color this in. Okay, so we just drew in the White House and colored it in using a little bit of gray markers and some blue for the windows. And there you go. We'll add a little bit of color to the flag, and that's about it. So hopefully you like this tutorial and you subscribe down below to our channel, and we will see you all next time. Bye-bye.